Good evening. This is All India Radio, Kohima. I'm Jonas Yantan with Evening News. The headlines. Union Health Ministry confirms total positive cases of novel coronavirus in India at 223. Governor R N Ravi says only way to contain and defeat COVID-19 is by preventing its spread by exercising social distancing. Various government departments in Nagaland pause visitors in view of COVID-19 outbreak. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls for Janta Curfew on Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. Union Health Ministry today confirmed the total positive cases of novel coronavirus in the country has reached 223, including 191 Indians and 32 foreign nationals. Out of the total cases, 23 patients have been cured and discharged. Briefing media in New Delhi, Joint Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Love Agarwal, said contact tracing of 6,700 people are underway to contain the spread of COVID-19. Agarwal said central government is providing every possible assistance and states are empowered to take action against those who are violating the laws enforced to deal with the infectious disease. Governor R N Ravi has said that the only way to contain and defeat COVID-19 is by preventing its spread. In a press release from Raj Bhavan, Kohima, Ravi said the next few weeks are very crucial for all of us. However, its spread can be contained by exercising social distancing. The governor urged the people to sincerely respond to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal and observe the Janta Curfew from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Sunday. He also assured the people that the government is constantly reviewing the state's preparedness on COVID-19. Assuring that there is enough stock of essential commodities, the governor urged the people not to resort to panic buying or hoarding. He also appealed faith-based organizations to create awareness and disseminate preventive information and advisories to the people at a grassroots level. Deputy Chief Minister of Nagaland, Y. Button, has said the state government is well prepared to handle the enormous task of preventing and controlling the spread of coronavirus or COVID-19 in the state. Button has appealed to the people to pitch for social distancing, maintaining personal hygiene and cleanliness while keeping themselves updated on the various do's and don'ts about the virus. The Deputy Chief Minister urged the public not to panic or get swayed by fake news and rumors being circulated on social media from unauthenticated sources. Button also called on the people to join Prime Minister Narendra Modi's clarion call to the nation to observe Janta Curfew on Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. to show solidarity that Nagaland is also ready to take on the challenge of the coronavirus pandemic. The Deputy Chief Minister further expressed gratitude to the officials, personnel and concerned departments for their efforts in the preparedness to fight against the pandemic. As a precautionary measure to prevent and contain the spread of coronavirus, entry of the visitors in the police headquarters office at Kohima has been barred with immediate effect till further orders. Superintendent of Police, Crime and Public Relations Officer Manoj Kumar has informed that only officials and staff will be allowed to enter the office premise. The State Department of Information and Public Relations, DIPR, and the Directorate of Underdeveloped Areas, DUTA, have also issued similar orders. The DIPR has informed that only visitors with genuine office-related works will be allowed to enter IPR site title during visiting hours, while visitors has been prohibited from touching or handling office files and papers. DUTA also stated that no public interview or visitation will be allowed except for genuinely unavoidable official works. Visitors have been directed not to enter the office premises without wearing masks. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced Janta Curfew on Sunday in the wake of the COVID-19 outbreak. It will be self-imposed and self-regulated and will be effective from 7 in the morning till 9 in the evening. Prime Minister said no one should step out of their homes during this period except those people in essential services. He also urged the countrymen to thank the people like doctors, medical personnel and cleaning staff for their service on Sunday at 5 p.m. Prime Minister requested all people to step out of house in the coming few weeks only if extremely necessary and work from home as much as possible. He also urged senior citizens above the age of 65 years to stay at home in the coming days. The Prime Minister said the centre is taking all necessary steps to ensure the supply of essential commodities and appeal to the people not to go for panic buying. Mogokchung District Administration today held a preparedness meeting on COVID-19 under the chairmanship of Deputy Commissioner Lima Wapang Jamir. The meeting was attended by Ministers Mitsupo Jamir and Dongbang Ozukam, besides head of departments, police, medical officers and NGOs. At the meeting, District Task Force on COVID-19 gave a PowerPoint presentation on the preparedness of the district in case of the virus reaching the district. Addressing the meeting, Dongbang Ozukam informed that all cabinet members have been directed to visit their respective districts to assist the administration in the preparedness for the COVID-19. The minister emphasized that creating awareness among the public may be the only tool to fight the pandemic. Also speaking at the meeting, Mitsupo Jamir highlighted on a notification issued by the state government on epidemic disease COVID-19 Regulations 2020. The minister said that 4 districts, namely Dimapur, Mogokchung, Mon and Wokha, have been identified as red light districts where the threat of the virus COVID-19 poses a high threat. The minister also stressed on the Janta Curfew announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and urged the citizens to follow and observe the day. The Naga People's Front NPF today released the party's compilation booklet on Citizenship Amendment Act CAA, sit-in protest, and a leaflet on precautionary measures on coronavirus at its central office in Kohima. Speaking on the occasion, party president Dr. Shirozele Lezechu said the NPF will give its best effort on reaching out to the grassroots level in sensitizing the people about the virus. Dr. Shirozele stressed on the need to be well prepared and take every precautionary measures to fight against the pandemic. A press release issued by the NPF Press Bureau stated that a leaflet on COVID-19 containing 11 points is being translated into all the local dialects and will be distributed to all interior villages for creating awareness. Kohima Municipal Council KMC has appealed the public to follow basic waste management practices at home during the period of coronavirus pandemic. KMC Administrator Kohima said, despite the unfortunate hours of the pandemic, waste disposal cannot be stopped and hence sanitary workers need to work as usual to keep the city clean and safe. Mayase, however, urged the public to dispose waste consciously, reduce domestic waste generation, and also use reusable dispensers for liquid, soap, and sanitizers. The administrator also advised to always segregate waste to ensure minimum garbage and maximum recycling. Deputy Commissioner Kohima Gregory Tejavele has directed all banks located under Kohima district to sanitize all ATM booths and bank counters with medical recommended sanitizers on a regular basis. The DC also asked the banks to keep hand sanitizers for customers at the ATM booths to prevent and control the outbreak of COVID-19. And now to the news, here are the main points again. Union Health Ministry confirms total positive cases of novel coronavirus in India at 223. Governor R N Ravi says only way to contain and defeat COVID-19 is by preventing its spread by exercising social distancing. Various government departments in Nagaland pass visitors in view of COVID-19 outbreak. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi calls for Janta Curfew on Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.